Constitutional basis of power of taxation and distribution of tax resources. Article 265. No tax shall be levied or collected except by the authority of law. This means the executive cannot simply demand money, they need a strict legislative act. Articles 14 and 19 1g. Article 14, Equality before law, to strike down tax laws that are arbitrarily discriminatory. Note that while Article 14 forbids class legislation, it permits reasonable classification in taxation. Article 27. No person shall be compelled to pay any taxes for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion. The 7th Schedule, Article 246 distributes legislative powers between the Parliament and state legislatures into the Union, state and concurrent lists. Article 286, State law cannot impose a tax on the sale or purchase of goods where the sale takes place outside the state, or in the course of import-export. All revenues and loans raised by the government flow into the Consolidated Fund of India or state. Intergovernment tax immunities, Article 285 to 289. The state does not tax itself. However, public corporation is liable to pay tax unless expressly exempted, and it cannot invoke the exemption granted to the state under Article 289. The Finance Commission, Article 280. The President appoints this commission every 5 years to determine how to distribute the net proceeds of taxes between the Union and the states. A surcharge is a tax on tax, an additional levy imposed on the base tax amount. It is supplementary and designed to increase government revenue beyond standard tax rates. Constitutional basis. Article 271 of the Indian Constitution allows the central government to levy surcharges on certain taxes. Revenue from surcharges goes entirely to the Consolidated Fund of India, not shared with states.